Even what's there that you don't understand? The fact that you should stay away from my daughter and I, or the fact that we don't want to have anything to do with you? So, where was this, I want to be a good man? Where was it when you left us 5 years ago? You left me with her. I did practically everything on my own. And now you just come back and you're trying to tell me you're now a good man. You want to go away with my daughter. Phoebe, you can take the kid to court. You can take it anywhere. You know me. I've got connections. Just by a snap of my finger, and Diana's gonna be mine forever. So you have to get it into your tick score and stay away from us, for heaven's sake. We don't want to have anything to do with you. Is that so hard for you to understand? Stay away. Now just take. I don't even know what to do.